I'm going to open Peel, Reveal, Squishies.
Peel to reveal squishy, huh?
Yeah. Why has to be wrapper? Okay, take off this. Oh, see guys? There's a little box there, right there. Oh, it was just this? The heck? No, I know. So I did this. And then there's a surprise there, and a surprise there, and a surprise there. So it's 1, 2, 3. Dad! Oh, it was a squishy popcorn. I think it. Oh, that's a squishy duck. This is pretty hard. Oh gosh, this is a squishy bottle of pop. So this is like a mosh because it's called like a mosh and I can press down. But there's no popcorn mosh in this. Is this some kind of what? Hi guys! Bye guys! Comment down below if you like this movie or channel or something. Like this squishy. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.